Ever wondered why the cost of living is so high? Or pondered over how you can save some money on your grocery bill? Well, there's a solution that might just be the answer to your questions. Hydroponics. Hydroponics is a unique method of growing plants, not in soil, but in nutrient-enriched water. This innovative approach to cultivation is rapidly gaining popularity due to its ability to speed up plant growth and decrease water usage compared to traditional soil farming. But you might be thinking, how does this relate to your grocery bill? The answer is simple. Hydroponics allows you to grow your own produce right at home. This in turn means less reliance on store-bought produce, which can result in significant savings over time. More importantly, by growing your own food, you control what goes into it, eliminating the risk of exposure to pesticides and other harmful chemicals commonly used in commercial farming. Moreover, hydroponics offers a solution to the common problem of food waste. When you purchase produce from a store, it often spoils before you get a chance to consume it all. However, with hydroponics, you're able to grow only what you need, minimizing waste. And let's not forget about the water bill. Hydroponics uses less water than traditional farming methods, leading to a noticeable reduction in your water expenses. Plus, growing your own produce implies a reduced contribution to the environmental impact of commercial farming, which is a significant burden on our planet's resources. So, in conclusion, hydroponics presents itself as an efficient and eco-friendly way to cut down on your food expenses and overall cost of living. It's not just good for the environment, but it's also beneficial for your health. Why not give it a whirl? We hope this video has enlightened you and perhaps even sparked your interest in hydroponics. Remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more insightful videos. As always, thank you for tuning in.